Hey, it's Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. We're your source for countertop appliances, cutlery, in today, Cameron's Stovetop Smoker. We're going to unbox it and see what it's all about. So let's see what we got in the box. We're going to start out with the user manual. So this is very important. Highly recommend reading this. This is going to tell you exactly how to use your new Cameron smoker. It also has a lot of great recipes in here for just getting started. So there's so many different types of wood to smoke with, and Cameron's actually offers a bunch of those wood chips already. We have those on our website. It comes with 2 samples, but it shows you all the flavors that you can choose from. And it actually tells you which types of food to smoke with which wood, because some woods are going to be stronger and those are going to be better for meats. Some woods are going to be a lot lighter and those are going to be better for lighter foods like cheese and vegetables. So complete guide in here. Keep this safe somewhere. You're going to want to read that over for sure. And they've also got a super quick start guide, pictorial guide. So this is visually showing you how to set up the smoker with a couple of pictures. So again, these explained instructions are in the full instruction manual. This is your super quick start guide. And we've also got 2 wood chips right here. We've got a hickory and we've got oak. So these are 2 starter wood chips. These are going to be your most common smoking woods that you find at barbecue restaurants. These are going to be usually the 2 go-tos. So we've got a couple samples of those. Let's get into the hardware. The first piece right here is the smoker base. So this is a very large stainless steel pan. It has some handles right here. These are cool grip handles, so these aren't going to get too warm while you're smoking indoors. So that is the cool thing about Cameron's, is this is your indoor smoker. So you can use this right on your stovetop, and you can use it on your grill too. If you don't have a smoker at home, but you still want to smoke outside, this can be used on your grill as well. So the handles fold up for easy storage, and they fold back out to function as a full handle. You're going to see these ridges at the bottom. You're going to actually put your wood down here, your wood chips, and those ridges are going to act as a space for the smoke to flow up and around your food, because we've got this drip tray right here, and this drip tray is going to sit right on top of these ridges, right on top of that wood. And this is going to just protect the wood so it doesn't go out from any of the food juices. It's not going to drip on the wood, make more smoke, and put out your fire. So that'll fit right down in here. And then you can use this for larger pieces of meat, chicken. You can put your food right on top of that. If you have more delicate food, like if you're going to smoke some cheese or some vegetables, they have this nice wire rack right here. And this wire rack is just going to keep the food off of that drip tray so the juices will drip down in there. Also, this is going to be better for things that you don't want on the direct heat. So if you're trying to smoke like nuts, like cashews, or if you're going to smoke avocados or something like that, or tomatoes, you want to put them on the drip tray, and that will sit right on top of here, and it's not going to burn those more delicate foods. This lid is nice shiny stainless steel. It's got Cameron's awesome logo on it. And basically this is just going to keep all your smoke inside. It's got a nice little grab handle right here that folds in and out, and this slides easily right on top, and that's going to keep all the smoke inside. So we're actually going to test out our Cameron smoker. We're going to make a recipe, and we're going to show you exactly how to set this up and how the Cameron smoker smokes indoors without having to go outside. I love the Cameron smoker because I can smoke indoors any time of the year. Whether it's raining outside or snowing outside, I can still enjoy super delicious smoked foods, and I just use my stovetop. I don't have to have a giant piece of equipment dedicated outside taking up my space. So guys, if you have any questions at all about what you saw today, leave us a comment below and we'll get it answered. If you want to see any other unboxing videos, you can check out EverythingKitchens.com, find a product, let us know in the comments what you want to see, and we'll do it for you. So if you liked this video, be sure to give us that like. Be sure to subscribe to Everything Kitchen for more unboxing and chef reviews.